Hi kids, let's explore the animal kingdom and meet some proud parents with their precious little ones. Do you know what baby animals are called? Let's find out together. Yay! Deep in the forest, a baby bear is called cub. In the forest, a gentle baby deer is called fawn. See the mother duck and her adorable duckling. This elegant baby swan is called cygnet. Meet the clever baby fox is called kit, cub and pup also. These bouncy baby rabbits are called kits. In the forest, a mighty baby elephant is called calf. On the farm, a baby goat is called kid. High up in the trees, a tall baby giraffe is called calf. Watch as the graceful baby horse is called foal. Caring monkey mother looks after her adorable baby is called infant. See the mother hippo guiding her young calf through the forest. In the dense jungle, a fierce baby tiger is called cub. Watch, baby lion is called cub. In the peaceful pasture, a baby cow is called calf. From tiny tadpoles to hopping frogs, the strong baby rhino is called calf. Who doesn't love a baby dog called puppy? The baby cat is called kitten. In the icy world of penguins, baby penguin is called chick. In the muddy field, pig and the piglet enjoying a sunny day. The baby camel is called calf. On the plains, a zebra foal stays close to its mother. Look, a rat and her mighty pup. High up in the trees, a baby squirrel is called kit or pup. The wolf pup is learning how to hunt. The donkey and her foal make a great team. In the farmyard, the turkey watches over her poults. In the rolling hills, a mother sheep tends to her fluffy lambs. In the quiet of night, the owl and her owlet take flight. Peekaboo, the joy peeks out from its mother pouch. Under the warm sun, a caring mother hen leads her tiny chicks. Thanks kids for great response to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and hit notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.